Hey there fellow detectorists, I've always wanted a dependable headlamp, mainly because detecting during the hot Australian days can be an absolute killer, so it's just as easy for me to go at night. Now I've tried these and they're flimsy and unreliable and they don't have the runtime that I require. But today I've got something that has been an absolute game changer for my metal detecting night sessions. This incredible headlamp by OLIGHT. Now let me break down why this has become an essential in my kit. First off, this headlamp isn't your average light source. It's practically a Swiss Army knife of illumination. With 3 light sources, flood, spotlight and red light, plus an SOS mode, it's got you covered for any situation in the great outdoors. Now here's the cool part. No more fumbling with buttons. A simple left-right wave switches the modes, whilst an up-down wave adjusts the brightness. Now that's perfect for those moments when you need to handle situations on the fly. This headlamp doesn't mess around with brightness. A 1000 lumen LED beam that reaches up to 140 meters. It's like having your own personal spotlight. And what's the best part? Well, it weighs next to nothing and it sits comfortably on your head. Now let's talk about power. The 2600 milliamp hour battery gives you a whopping 30 hours of runtime. And you can kiss away disassembling your head torch to insert batteries in and out. Goodbye. Just plug in the Type-C port and you're good to go for your next adventure. Oh, and by the way, safety first. The red indicator on the battery pack doubles as a tail light, making sure that you're seen by your other mates whilst detecting. Okay, detectorists, trust me, you'll wonder how you ever did without this headlamp. Check out the link in the description and go and grab yours. And until next time, stay bright and stay safe out there.